Hi everyone, Dr. Tim here, coming to you from FitandFunPlayscapes and actually from the Sensory Integration Motor Sensory Lab here at SUNY Cortland. As a physical educator, we know the importance of assessing our students' fundamental motor skills. And we also know that all quality physical education is driven by assessment. So the more we know about our students' abilities, the easier it is to decide what to teach. So like I said, as educators, we often use two types of assessment, standardized and authentic. Standardized assessments can be expensive and are time-consuming, are often require parent permission and sometimes even a trained professional to administer it. On the other hand, authentic assessment is kind of the assessment we do every day, all the time. It can be used anywhere, and more importantly, authentic assessments are designed to measure our students' ability in a natural play environment and during game play. So as we observe our kids, we can get a sense of their ability. And that's why FitandFunPlayscapes invented the FUN2MOOV Locomotor Skills Assessment System. The FUN2MOOV assessment system can be used, like I said, anywhere, anytime, and as really as often as you like. FUN2MOOV assessments were developed and tested with the help of great physical education teachers and their students. And FUN2MOOV includes an easy-to-follow teaching guide, a fundamental locomotor skills checklist, and 6 portable rollout stations. Here's how it works. Using the teaching guide, look at that and set your poly spots in the center of the gym, and then take the 6 locomotor skills stations and set those up around the perimeter. Next, provide ample movement space between the rollouts, prepare the checklist that you're going to use in your roster, and position yourself so that you can really observe your stations or a series of stations to watch your students go through and do the locomotor skills. Over time, you'll begin to gather and collect great data on your kids' and students' abilities. We recommend that you assess at least quarterly and maybe even more frequently than that, based upon the abilities of your kids. Keeping data on your students' ability will inform and enhance your curricular decisions. That's really important. So now that you've had the assessment, you have the idea to do assessment, you know what to teach. And like I said, assessment drives teaching. This evidence-based, authentic approach makes it easy to determine what each student should be taught. And that's super important. So the FUN2MOOV Locomotor Skills Assessment System uses colorful, engaging motor skills to assess children of all ability levels. The FUN2MOOV system is affordable, durable, and easy to set up, and better yet, easy to store. So that's it. Dr. Tim out. Have a great day.